Good morning everyone! So today's video is going to be my winter morning routine. I have two little ones, so I do try to keep things pretty simple in the mornings. I did try to keep this as true to life as possible. Mornings don't always go perfectly for me, but there are certain things that I need to get done, and sometimes I don't end up getting ready for the day until after they're down for their afternoon nap. But anyways, here's my morning routine. I try to start the day every morning at 6 a.m. because my kids do wake up promptly at 7, and I really find that if I want to have a good morning, I need to get up an hour before they do and start my own day. So as soon as my alarm goes off at 6, in theory I get up, and I do like to keep a cup of water beside my bed so that as soon as I wake up I can rehydrate. So I either wake up at 6 a.m. from my alarm or around there from Chloe waking up to be nursed, and I will take her back to my bed, feed her, and then usually she will go right back to sleep and sleep until 7, so it gives me time to get myself ready for the day and do a little bit of my mommy self-care morning routine before they get up. The first thing on my checklist every day is to get into the Word and have my morning quiet time. This is something that I noticed an overall difference when I have started my morning that way. Obviously, if it doesn't work in the mornings, any time throughout the day is beneficial, but I try to do it first thing before the tasks of the day clutter my mind. Then I quickly pick out an outfit for the day and head over to the bathroom to brush my teeth and hop in the shower. Sometimes if I sleep in, I don't have time to shower before the kids wake up, and I'll actually shower while they're both napping, but I find that I'm just so much happier and ready to tackle the day if I wake up early. There's just really something about having a little bit of time as a mom, so I do force myself to wake up early every morning. To save time though, I do wash my hair only like every 3 days, so I just put it up in a bun so that it won't get wet in the shower. After that, it's time to start my skincare routine. If you want to see, I did do a morning skincare routine video, which I will have linked down below. Skincare is just something that is super important to me. I just want to start taking care of my skin right now, and also when I feel like my skin looks good, I don't end up spending as much time doing makeup in the morning, which is nice. Anything that cuts down time getting ready is great. Then I just do a really quick makeup routine for every day. I have this down to about 7 minutes. I just basically focus on mascara, eyebrows, and foundation, and and a little blush, and that's pretty much it. I didn't actually get a chance to finish though because Chloe and Marcus woke up a little bit early, so I grabbed Chloe and we all head to the nursery where Marcus is awake and it's time to change diapers. Marcus is potty training, so he gets put into some underwear now, and then I get the kids ready for the day before we go into breakfast. We used to just go straight away to breakfast, but I find that for them it's a really good thing to have a morning routine in place too. So I put Chloe in a long sleeve onesie and some leggings from Gap. Baby, I like to get these on sale. And as soon as we're done, and Marcus noticed the camera, it's so cute. Anyways, after we're done dressing them, we head to the kitchen where they are ready for breakfast, and this is usually around 8 a.m. So I put Chloe in the high chair and Marcus goes in his booster seat. I like to change up breakfast all the time, so something I like to make the night before is these apple muffins from my 1962 Betty Crocker cookbook. I love this cookbook. It's my favorite vintage cookbook ever, and the apple muffins in this book are really good, so I'll write the recipe in the description box below if you want to try it. But Marcus and Chloe love these, and it's great because there's like literally no prep work. You just grab muffins and you can all start eating. I give Marcus a cup of milk and Chloe gets a glass of water, and we all just eat our muffins together. And it's a really simple breakfast, but it looks like I am a domestic goddess or something, but it's so easy to just make them the night before. After breakfast is time for me to clean the kitchen and get my morning chore done. So I will usually, it depends on the mood the kids are in, but I will either put them down in the front room to play, or if they don't seem too interested in toys, I will turn on Curious George for about 20 minutes so I can just quickly go through the kitchen, cleaning everything up, and they are entertained so I don't have to worry about them. I usually try to make coffee like first thing in the morning before they're awake, but it didn't happen this day. But I did want to make it so that I could get the housework done quickly. Usually I've been making tea for myself, but lately I've needed something a lot stronger. I think it might be that it's darker in the mornings and it's just harder for me to get up and go with all the work I need to get done. So the way I like to make my coffee is 2 shots of espresso with the rest steamed milk. And a fun fall winter treat that I like to add is some pumpkin syrup. Usually I try to stay clear of sugar, but it's the holiday season, so I'm indulging in this pumpkin pie Torani syrup, which is so good. I just put a tablespoon of that in my coffee and it is delicious. So I sip on that while I quickly tidy up the kitchen. At 9 or 9:30, it is time for Chloe to go down for her first nap. I just kind of take cues from her and see when she's getting a little bit tired, and I put her down in her crib. Then I head to the bathroom to finish getting myself ready because this morning I did wake up a little bit late and I didn't actually fix my hair or finish my makeup. If I have day 2 hair, I typically just quickly curl it using my Hot Tools curling iron. This curling iron is amazing. My cousin got it for me. She's a hairstylist and I love it so much. I just make curls all around my head and shake them out so they loosen up. Again, I did wake up a little late, so I didn't get to my bed before the kids woke up, so I just quickly did it while Chloe was napping. And there's just something that makes any task enjoyable when you have a cup of coffee around. Anyways, after that, it's time for me to do my morning chore. I try to do it early in the day so that while they're napping, I have time to film videos or edit them, and then when they wake up, we have time to actually go to the park or something fun. And so today was laundry day, so I folded all this laundry and Marcus just played while I folded everything. And then shortly after that, Chloe woke up, and that is the end of our morning routine. Like I said, I tried to keep those true to life as possible. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up if you did. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.